Have a nap. Oh, that's nice. Can we share the pillow, Alexandra?
Napping, napping.
Oh, so sleepy.
Be careful with
Watch
your
out,
feet.
Madeline. Don't kick Alexandra. You're your best friend.
Oh, everyone's gonna have a nap.
No, it's like one goes down, one goes
I
up.
know.
Lay down, babe.
Madeline, you gonna lie down, have a nap?
They're like, we've been playing so hard. They're both just outside girls. They're just like being outside.
Why don't you show us what you did with your rocks? Where did you put all the rocks? Okay, can you say bye-bye?